Hey everybody, so in today's video we will be doing hair. So this is my first girl. This is how her hair looks like before we started. So today she wanted to have a hair color and also we are going to do a keratin treatment after this one. So yeah, on this clip I am applying hair color or hair dye onto your hair. So I'm starting with 1 centimeter away from the scalp. Since her hair is virgin, she doesn't have any hair color or whatnot or bleach or anything else. So with virgin hair you need to start from the mid area up to the tips of the hair, not touching the root area since the hair is still virgin. If you are going to touch the root area, most probably you will be having hot roots. So to avoid hot roots, make sure that you just apply the hair color or the hair dye 1 centimeter away from the scalp. So I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, just stick around and keep on watching. So after I finish applying all the hair dye, just wrap her hair with a cling wrap to isolate the hair. Then we rinse her hair after processing for like her hair processed like very quickly, you guys. I just processed her hair, the ends like just 15 minutes, and then I finished the root area like 10 minutes. So her hair is pretty fine, so maybe that's the reason why she just processed so quickly. So as you can see, I blow dried her hair, and then now after like blow drying her hair, I then went ahead and applied a keratin treatment after the hair coloring. So with keratin treatment, you just basically just section the hair using a T-parting section. So I'm just evenly applying the treatment in her hair with, you know, just the right amount of sectioning, not oversaturating the hair, because with keratin treatment you need to apply just the right amount, not oversaturating it. So we're done applying the treatment in her hair. I just went ahead and wrapped her hair again with a cling wrap just to ensure that the hair would not dry up. So I then went processed this one like 40 minutes or so. Then after 40 minutes, I dried her hair 100% dry, and after drying it 100% dry, I then went ahead and flat ironed her hair just the same way that I flat iron the hair when doing hair bonding, just doing some small sections just to ensure that you really flat ironed all the hairs. So now I am doing a haircut on her because she wanted a haircut as well. We did 3 service on this on this girl. So we did hair color, hair treatment, and haircut. So we did some layering on her hair because she asked for a layered haircut. So we're finally done. This is our final result. So her hair really looks amazing. I really love her hair color, but for some reason this looks so warm in this direct light, but I also try to film in a different place. So this is how her hair looks like, her hair color looks like on this lighting. In person this looks really cool toned or ashy, so that's why I decided to film in this area. Hello guys. Okay. Hello guys, so I'm done with my first client and I have a 30-minute break. So break. So kain muna ako nito yung gustong-gusto ko siya guys, yung ano kare-kare Danish. Yung tawag dito is kare-kare Danish dito, but I associate this one with yung anong utap sa Cebu. Parang siyang utap sa Cebu. Pero pie yung tawag nito, kare-kare Danish. Yan, kare-kare Danish. So kakain muna ako because it's already 1:30 and yeah. So my next girl's here, so we'll be doing only a hair color touch up
for her gray hair. So her gray hair is already peeking through, so she really needs to touch up. It is already a 1 centimeter regrowth, so that's her hair before. So I just finished applying the hair colors here and just wrap it with the cling wrap to isolate the hair, and then after processing it for uh, 20 minutes only, then we went ahead rinse her hair. So yeah, just basically I'm just enjoying this one. We did a funny conversation together. I just love my girls. So after rinsing, I just went ahead and comb her hair. This Her hair is pretty healthy, you guys. We did before a month ago we did a keratin treatment and hair bonding hair, but right now her hair is still pretty healthy. So today also, we after coloring her, we did also a keratin treatment, as you can see here, that I already wrap her hair with cling wrap again for it to process for 40 minutes again. And then after processing this for 40 minutes, the keratin treatment, I went ahead and blow dry the hair 100% before ironing. So right now, again, we are ironing the hair paper thin, just like the way we flat iron in hair rebonding. Keratin treatment is heat activated like hair rebonding. So yeah, just doing smaller section, flat ironing the hair thoroughly. So she also wanted a new haircut. She wanted to freshen up her haircut, so I'm doing a haircut as well on this client. This is a 3 service uh yeah, 3 service. We did a hair color, keratin, and haircut. So this is how her hair after everything. Look how shiny her hair, you guys. We did a hair bonding like a month ago and keratin treatment. So I really highly recommend doing a keratin treatment on your hair, especially if you're doing hair bonding and hair coloring, for it to go back into its healthy state. So this is her haircut. She wanted something like this to freshen up her look. So just like the other girl, this looks pretty warm also here in this lighting, but I also went ahead and filmed in another area of the of the apartment. So this is how her hair looks in this not direct light. So this is hair looks like before and then after. So I am done with my um, job today. So yeah, I think I'm natapos kami like around 6, and now it's currently 6:30. Nakapag-chill na din ako, and then Rookie is cooking french fries as well because kakain kami ng french fries. So ayun, and I think I'm gonna say goodnight na, guys, kasi yung clip for today's video is going to be most of the hairs that I've been doing, or that I did today as I planned. So I hope that you have a wonderful day and a great day as always, everybody. And yeah, keep safe always. Corona is still around, so muna tayo magpakapante. And then yeah, I'm happy today pala kasi madali lang yung ginawa ko today. Yeah, and then I finished early. So yeah, I hope to see you on the next video, and thank you always for tuning in, and uyasumi! Bye!